Hi everyone! In this video, I will be walking you through our new and improved lead details page. We've completely redesigned the page, making it mobile-friendly and efficient for clients to view and action leads. The first thing you will notice at the top is the communication totals. Click on these totals for quick access to calls, emails, texts, inquiries, and messages. In addition to the contact history model, there is a new timeline view. This displays the history of all calls, emails, and texts combined. Just a few sections below, a new line graph has been added to the activities panel. This shows the dates of when the lead has first joined, their last visit, last touch, and today's date. And below you will be able to see the summarized history of activities made with this lead. To the left of your screen is the Basics panel. Change the stage of this lead to either lead, contact, or client. To edit any other information, click on the pen icon next to each label or hit Edit Basics, and a flyout will appear on the right side of the page. Make sure to save your changes if you make any. You can also enable agent notifications and view the lead's subscriptions via this panel. Under Basics is the lead's contact details, where you can edit their address and add their preferred way of contact. Whether it's through email, phone calls, or texts. In the Team panel, you can link an agent and a lender. Relationships is a new feature where you can link a lead's relationship to another lead. Select Add Relationship, and in the flyout menu, add a relationship label. This can be husband, wife, business partner, etc. Use the search to add this lead. Just note, relationships can only work with leads that are in your CRM. And the last panel to the left of the page is Custom Fields. If you don't have any custom fields, you can add these via the Settings page of the CRM. Moving on to the right of our page, we have our engagement engine. This wheel indicates the types of engagement made between the agent and lead. By default, these icons are grayed out. When an icon has been colored, it means that action has been taken. Underneath, we have groups, motivations, interests, and tags associated with this lead. Again, to add or edit these, click on the Manage button. Navigating back to the middle of the page, under Activity is Action Plans. You can add or view existing action plans to this lead. Ensure you are communicating effectively with your leads by logging your tasks as you go. By the way, you will be able to collapse and expand all of these lead panels. Trust me, this is a game changer, especially when viewing this page on your smartphone. Next, we have Listings. This section has also been updated with a Totals panel. This allows you to view inquiries, favorites, viewed, and recommended listings made by the lead. Click on the numbers to narrow your view to the related listings, or recommend a listing straight from this panel. Refer to the Searches panel to view this lead's trending, saved, recommended, and recent searches. This Notes section lets you log in any other information you wish to add to this particular lead. You have an option to set notes visible to everyone or privately, which is basically a note to self. View and reply to your lead's contact and inquiry forms in the Inquiries panel. Below Inquiries is where you can view the deals made with this lead. By clicking on Add Deal, this will open a new deal pop-up that automatically adds the selected lead and agent. Here you can proceed with creating a new deal directly from the Lead Details page, or alternatively, you can create one in the Deals page in the CRM. And finally, we have an events panel. Use this to add specific events. This could be a to-do task, appointment, meeting, phone call, and so on. Again, choose to make this visible to everyone or private. Select a type of event, a date or time, and type in the details of the event. Once added, this will automatically appear on your calendar. Mark your events as complete as you go. This brand new design of lead activities makes managing your leads details simple and convenient to track from start to finish. If you have any questions or feedback about our new lead details page, please reach out to us at rew.com or join the conversation on our forums page. Thanks for watching!